What should I have prepared for my dog's labor and delivery?
Hello there, future puppy parents. Today, we're going to talk about an important part of your dog's pregnancy journey, labor and delivery. Understanding the birthing process and preparing beforehand can make this momentous occasion less stressful for both you and your furry friend.
How can I tell my dog is close to labor?
Before diving into the preparations, it's vital to recognize signs that your dog is nearing labor. These can include changes in behavior, such as nesting and restlessness, a drop in body temperature below 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 37.7 degrees Celsius, and loss of appetite. Being aware of these signs will give you ample time to prepare for the big day.
What should I have on hand for my dog's labor?
When it comes to the actual day, having the right supplies on hand can make a world of difference. Here is a list of items you should have. A whelping box. This will provide a safe and comfortable space for your dog to give birth. Clean towels. These will be useful for handling puppies and cleaning them after birth. Heating pad. This helps to keep the newborn puppies warm. Thermometer. You will need this to monitor your dog's temperature. Rubber gloves. You'll need these to maintain hygiene during the process. Unwaxed dental floss. You might need to tie off the puppy's umbilical cords. Sterilized scissors. In some cases, you may need to cut the puppy's umbilical cords. Iodine. This is to clean the puppy's umbilical area after the cords are cut. Remember, these are just basics. Depending on your dog's condition and the advice of your vet, you might need more specific items.
How should I act during my dog's labor?
During labor, it's important to stay calm and let nature take its course. Most dogs are able to deliver without any assistance. However, monitor the process closely and be ready to intervene if needed. If there are complications or if your dog appears to be in distress, contact your veterinarian immediately. Preparing for your dog's labor and delivery can be a nerve-wracking experience, but remember, you're not alone. With the right preparation, a good understanding of the process, and the help of your trusted vet, you can provide the best support for your furry friend. We hope this guide has been helpful and we wish you all the best on this exciting journey.